Hi lovelies, it's me, Simply Sherry, helping you make home and entertaining simple. Today is the second video of our minimalist game video series. I am doing this with my daughter and we are going to show you days 11 through 20. Please make sure to check out the iCards above for the full playlist and other organizing and decluttering videos that I've done on my channel. So here are the 11 items. The first one is back here. It is one of those transition boards. I'm not sure if I can donate this or if I should just throw it away. I feel bad throwing it away, but one of my kids decided to color on it way back then. I've had that for a long time. Here is a plastic riser, or I think part of a shoe rack that I no longer have used. And then this was a misorder on Amazon and I didn't get to return it, so I'll just donate it. They were a size way too small for my dachshund, but they're basically dog shoes. This is just an extra flat sheet, 2 binders, a container, and this was from a wedding. And then this was on one of our desks. But since I've decluttered a lot of our office supplies and our desk area, I don't need that. And then this is a container for flour, but I realized that a different container was better for the flour, especially my daughter loves to bake. The minimalist game is basically on day 1, you get rid of 1 item, on day 2, 2 items, and day 3, 3 items. So this is now day 12. These are 12 items from my daughter. This was a jewelry holder, but she's gotten rid of a lot of jewelry already, so we don't need that, or she doesn't need that. She doesn't want these silly bands or these other accessories here. A couple earrings here, some dividers for the closet. This is broken, so we'll be throwing that away. When you are decluttering, it always looks like a mess before it gets better. So here is day 13, a bunch of random things, 2 shirts from my son. This I made, it was a DIY craft. I'm not using that and it takes time to clean that silver, so I'm gonna let that go. Here is a toy. I'm not sure why my daughter had kept it, but she is letting it go now because that's like for a 6 or 7-year-old. Silk flowers, hydrangeas, a candle holder, curling iron that I don't need. I got rid of 3 other ones. This is sentimental actually. It's one of my favorite toys that my kids have had. My son is now in college. I think we got this for him maybe when he was 5 and he passed it on to my daughter and they've loved it. So that's kind of sentimental, but time to let it go. Here's a tray I've had forever, probably 15 years. Not using it, letting it go. Here is a mirror that I didn't realize I had a second one, so that is going. That is day 13. Over here is day 14. A few sentimental items. Definitely these 3 pillows are a little bit sentimental. They were in the love seat couch that is in my sitting area in my master bedroom. I've filmed a lot of videos in front of that couch with this bird pillow there, but letting that go. I thought it was cute, but I just don't like the material. Here are a few stuffed animals from my daughter. She has a lot of stuffed animals. The ones that she's keeping now are the ones she really wants. I do kind of like them, but I'm gonna let them go because I just don't like extra mugs in my cabinets. That's an eraser. And then these are some things that my daughter had made. Day 15. These were from my son's room. When he moved out, he didn't want them anymore. I kept them thinking I would reuse them, but that has broken since, and then this is broken. I thought I would just use the frame, but forget it. I'm not adding more stuff to my walls. That one also letting that go. It's cute, but again, I'm not putting more decor on my walls. As I've reorganized my jewelry, I realized, you know what, I really haven't worn these probably in the past couple years, so finally letting those go. I apparently love hoop earrings, but these are just too heavy for me right now. Just my style has changed. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Day 16 are these 16 napkin rings that I used to use a lot. I'm not using them anymore, so letting those go. Day 17 are a few of my home entertaining items. I love throwing parties. I love having people over for dinner. I've thrown parties here for up to 60 people. These are champagne flutes my friend gave me, but I have a lot of these. I have probably about 30 champagne flutes, and I just still want to add more because they don't match the other ones. And then here are some more wine glasses I thought are really nice. Look, that's beveled. There's 4 of them, but I have a lot of wine glasses already, so that's kind of hard to say bye to, but I'm going to say bye. And then I think I've only used these once or twice. They are actually napkin ring holders. You put the napkin through that ring there. It's kind of cute, right? And then my husband got this at a garage sale. I asked him, please don't get it because we're never going to use it. And it's true, we never used it. It's been sitting in my garage, I think, for 5 years. Finally going to let this go, but it is pretty cute. You can put wine in there, and then it has this little cheese board there. Those are 17 items for day 17. Yes, day 18, more craft supplies. Because we don't do crafty stuff anymore, just a couple things. 18 items right here. For day 19, more entertaining items. Okay, gosh, I think about 4 or 5 years ago, I loved grapes all over the kitchen as decor. I know maybe it sounds cheesy, but I don't know if that was the style back then. But I kept them thinking, what if I would like that again? But I haven't, so I'm gonna let them go. These are a lot. It's ridiculous. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then I have these placemats. They are 4 each. 8 and 11 is 19 for day 19. Day 20, I have here some frames. Dollar Tree DTs for Dollar Tree bronze, 8.5 by 11 frames. So these are 4 of those. Okay, and then I have this. I bought this 15 years ago, and it's a whole like silverware set with a box. And I kept the box thinking if I ever get nice silverware, I'll put them in here because it has kind of like a velvet drawer. And then this one opens up like that. Never use these knives. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 12 knives plus the box, that's 13. Plus 4 is 17, plus 3 is 20. So those are the 20 items for day 20. I'm gonna pack these up and put them in my car and bring it straight to Goodwill. These have been sitting in this hallway for 2 days because I've been waiting to film this, and it's actually driving me nuts seeing all this clutter. But imagine this clutter used to be hidden on shelves, in closets and drawers, in the garage, so it didn't drive me crazy because it was not visible to me. Now that it's visible, it is completely just clutter. Please let me know in the comments below any item that you've let go that is sentimental to you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.